Welcome friends. In this Revit tutorial, we will be learning about various properties. As you can see, the properties pane at the left side over here, you'll see the structural plan is selected. Beneath, we have all set of properties and we have our project browser. Depending upon the selection, the properties is being changed. As I select level 1, the level 1 property will be there. If I select 3D views, properties will be changed accordingly. So this is how these properties are changing. For now, we'll click on this wall command. This has been changed and we'll simply go here and Revit will give us all types of wall loaded into the program. Concrete of 10 inches, brick on CMU, and whole bunch of that. Let us select 10 inches concrete. Here you'll find edit type and new walls. Click on this edit types and there are a window which says type properties. This type property means if in your project you have 10 different walls and you select type properties and change any of the parameter, it will change for all the walls. Here you'll see a little preview button which previews the wall. Remember, there is a view. It is currently floor plan. You can go to section plan as well, which shows the section view. We'll continue with the floor plan. We'll select that, click OK. Those were some properties. Here you'll find some important one. Height and whether it is connected or not. The height of the wall. Location line, which I have selected finish face exterior. You can select any of them according to your needs and project specifications. This chain is checked because we want to activate this chain so that if we finish up drawing one wall, we can start the next from the ending point. You'll find here some more options to create walls, and in next tutorial we will be starting with the wall command. Thank you.